Want to edit images faster, smarter and professionally without advanced design skills? In this video, we will learn how to edit images with Manus AI, one of the most powerful AI creative tools available today. Now to edit image, here you can see edit image under get started. You can see it here. Now you can also find it by clicking this plus icon here and then slide down till you find edit image. Here you can see edit image, click on it. The process is still the same in the Manus app and also in the Manus site. And here select the image you want to edit. By sliding down till you find it. And here I will use this image and then click on done. Now here it will bring you here. Now here what you do now is type the prompt here. Let me type the prompt, which I will also leave the prompts in the description section in order for you to use, so don't bother. Now here let me type it. Now here this is what I type. You can copy it and paste it. Now here you can see under the process of resolution. Now here you can see ultra HD. Now here you can select either ultra HD or 8K quality. Now here let me select ultra HD. Let me clean out 8K quality, or you can leave the both just in case. Let me leave the both. Now here after editing the prompt, here what you do now is to send it by clicking this up arrow icon here to send it, and then wait for it. As you can see, it is thinking in order to give you the best quality. Now here is the result. You can see the result here. You can see by tapping on clicking on it like this. You can see the quality of the image. You can see it will remove everything and make and enhance the image quality. You can see here. You can save it by clicking this save, or you can re-edit it by clicking this edit here. Let me save it. As you can see, I've saved it. You can share it by clicking this share icon. Now let's edit a text and know how it works on a text and know how it enhance text. Now to use on a text, first we will clear the chart like this by clicking this icon here, or by going back like this and then click on this chart icon here. And here let's edit an image based on text. Now here click on this plus icon, slide down again till you find edit image here, click on it. Now here select the text you want to edit here. Now to make the text brighter or sharpen it. Now let me use this text here and then click on done. Now let me type this prompt, which you can find also in the description section, so don't worry. And let me type it here. As you can see, here is what I type. Enhance the text sharpness and readability. Don't alter or distort characters. Here you can also make the Manus AI to edit a particular place directly by tapping on it like this. You can see it will select the place and then slide down and select another place. You can see in order to edit a particular place directly. So after selecting it, you can then type the prompt and then send it. But I don't want to edit a particular place directly, so I will remove this by tapping on it and then click on remove, and tap on this one and then click on remove and then send the prompt. Now let me send the prompt. Let me send it by clicking this up arrow icon here. Now wait for it. Now wait for it to edit it. Here is the result. So let's check it by tapping on it like this. And here is how it edits. Now here you can see it make it more brighter and more readable. Here you can see, you can save it by clicking this save, or you can share it by clicking this share. So try it and tell me how it works on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace. Check out this playlist to know everything about Manus based on tutorial.